Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at ISC 14 in Leipzig, Germany, and we're here at the Allinea booth. But today I'm here with Sabre Feki from KAUST University. So let's start there. What is the mission of KAUST?
The KAUST University is the top university in Saudi Arabia in terms of research. The goal of the mission of KAUST is to provide the top research and help the economic development of the country.
Okay, and in that mission you use high-performance computing?
Absolutely. So
Yeah.
I'm part actually of the KAUST supercomputing lab, and we have top supercomputing facilities that help a broad range of researchers to accomplish this mission.
Okay, and I understand you use the Allinea software and specifically the Allinea performance reports.
Yeah.
And I wanted to ask you about that. What do the users get out of that when they use that? What do they learn?
Yeah. So first, the Allinea Perf report is a very powerful tool that is very simple to use for broad range of all users. Users typically are not computer scientists. They are basically doing their science, whether it's weather modeling or the geosciences. And Allinea Perf report is very simple to use, and with that tool, they can learn about their applications and what are the bottlenecks in terms of performance in their applications.
Okay, and do they have to do a lot to generate that? I mean, how does the tool work?
So basically the tool, you add a very simple instruction before the call of your parallel jobs submission, and then it generates a report on your application in terms of I/O bandwidth, memory bandwidth, CPU usage, and MPI communications.
Okay, and I've seen this, and it basically generates a web page with all the information on one page and gives them information about what's going on with the machine, stuff that they might not have seen before, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, very cool. And then I wanted to ask you about Allinea's unified environment. So you've got developers, right, and you've got users, but they've got one environment for both. How does that benefit you, as KAUST and your mission?
First, with this unified platform, it is very easy for the users to use those tools and run them at scale to learn about their applications, profile, and debug those applications.
Okay. And so the user and the developer, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So the user and the developers, and with the assistance of the computational scientists at the KAUST Supercomputing Lab that I'm part of, we help the users to learn about their applications with a little overhead and go up to large scales.
Yeah. And I wanted to ask you about something new coming from Allinea that lets these users basically do green computing, control the computer to consume less energy. And what did you think of that?
Yeah, so that's absolutely a very exciting feature that Allinea added in their latest versions of their codes, of their applications. And the tool provides the users the ability to trace the applications from an energy consumption point of view. And therefore they can map the hotspots in their application in terms of energy consumption to the according code, and then they try to optimize it from an energy point of view to become kind of green.
Okay, so they can practice green computing by the way they manipulate their program and maybe not run some part of it at high speed, but with the objective of consuming less power.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And that helps the facility to operate more efficiently.
Sure, because your users are helping you rather than fighting you that way, right?